What's up YouTube, it's your girl Aleah and I'm back with another video for you guys today. So as you see by the thumbnail and today's title, today I'm going to be decorating my YouTube space, my YouTube background, YouTube everything, alright, for you guys. And guys, I'm so excited. I absolutely love my background right here. There's still a lot of work to be done, so don't come at me. I know it looks unfinished because I need to buy more flowers and more lights, but so far it's coming together really well and I really love it. But yeah, so I'm gonna be decorating my YouTube space with stuff that I bought from Amazon and Shein and Five Below. But I just want to stress this enough: if you cannot afford to buy like stuff for your background, just use what you have. Like for real, like when I started YouTube, I was literally just using my room. Like my room was my background. Like it was blurry, it was in the background, and you just had me up front. Then I started to use the pictures that I showed you guys, and I ended up using like one of these flowers, just a single flower swirled in the background as my background. And at one point I had my plain wall. So basically just use what you have for your background. You don't have to go out and buy expensive things. Shop around, look around, see what you can find. You can even find stuff at a thrift store if you really want. But yeah, all the items that I'm using today are from Shein, Amazon, and Five Below, and I'll leave everything down below for you guys. But I'm so excited for today's video. If you guys want to see me decorate my YouTube space, keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is basically my YouTube space. Sorry that you can see my ring light. This is what I basically had before. When I first started, I even tried to hang up like a little throw or something in the background, which that can work too as a background for yourself. But yeah, I bought these two pictures. I believe I bought them from Ross. This one is basically lipstick and it has mascara and it has like a lipstick smear. And then this one says, you can see the ring light, I'm so sorry. This one has wake up and makeup, and then it has eyelashes on it. Before I show you guys everything that I bought from the background, let me just take off these pictures because it's annoying me that you guys can see this ring light right now. So I'm just gonna take these off. So the first thing that I bought, this is actually from Shein. I forgot how much I bought it for, but I'm gonna leave everything down below. And this is what it looks like. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys so you guys can see. It's just these little cute little flowers right here. If I can even focus. They're kind of like messed up right now, but yeah. So I bought this one right off of Shein. It only came with one. It's really long. Yeah, you guys get the point. I bought these white flowers off of Amazon, and this pack actually came with two. This flower I actually bought from Five Below, and it looks like the other one that I just showed you, except for it doesn't have like the little white stems on there. But this is what this looks like. So these are, I believe they're like fairy twinkle lights. I bought this from Five Below. These lights from Shein, whatever you want to call it. And I bought some white curtains from Amazon. So I'm just gonna get into it. You guys can watch me just set up my background. But yeah, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you give me a big thumbs up and smash the subscribe button because I'm about to make this look pretty. All right, so far I feel like I got them where I want them. Hopefully it looks good when I sit down, but now I'm gonna try to hang up the lights. And I don't know, I think I'm gonna use both of them. But yeah, there's like these, and they just like light up like that. So I don't know, let's see how I'm gonna do this. perks of being short, right? Hey guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video of me decorating my background. There's still a lot of work to be done. I still need to buy more lights and maybe put like another flower right here and kind of like stretch this curtain out, because like I said, my YouTube space is very small, but I gotta use what I have. But yeah guys, I really enjoyed decorating my background. It looks so pretty. I love the lights. I love just how everything just came together. I absolutely love everything about it, but there is definitely some work that needs to be done. But yeah, I really love my background. I can't wait to put more videos. But if you like this video and you want to see more videos from me, make sure you smash the subscribe button to become part of the family, and make sure you smash that like button for me and comment down below any other videos that you want to see from me. That's pretty much it for this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.